my third project with Kim and Prime.
So 3 is your lucky number.
Hopefully, 13.
Ay,
Number
nice.
13.
Di ba 33? Okay. Kim!
For me, working with Prime Video again, and this is my fourth project. So amazing! Thank you so much! Prime Video for me, working with them feels like home, but a home that keeps on evolving. Kaya I'm very proud to always do projects with Prime Video.
Now, before I let you both go, because we heard the number of projects you've had with Prime Video, what makes this different?
This one, Copino, of course, yung nga nasabi natin, it's Korean and Filipino. So, syempre, may Korea magic. We will go to Korea to shoot some of the scenes with Korean actors. So, this is something very new and very exciting.
Sa akin naman, we always find stories to tell that's very Filipino. And one part about this is, as they've said, is Copino. It's a story about Korean Filipinos, who are looking for their identity. So parang it's something very exciting, it's something unique to us, and it's something local that we could be proud of, hopefully. So the international audience watches it.
Cheers! Congratulations, Hugo! And
Yes, and also may I add, I'm very also proud to work with Prime dahil this is not only shown locally, this reaches to global audience din. Kaya nakaka-proud din that your work is being watched by other countries. Kaya thank you so much, Prime, for this big opportunity.
And to Tingnan Doran, I'm also proud to work with Prime and you again.
No! Super! Alright, let's go! Thank you so much, Prime, for the chance.
nagpakilig